Hello, Chef here, and once again I'm in one of the kitchens cooking. I thought I would share with you what's going on here. So I've got these beautiful pieces of beef. These are sirloin steak cuts. I'm going to be portioning them up into smaller steaks, and these will be like top butt steaks. All right, USDA choice. It's a very good grade, probably what you're finding in the store, depending on where you are in the world. So anyway, this is a good cut of meat. You can see the marbling's very nice. There's a little bit of fat that needs to be removed here, trimmed a little bit, and just follow along. I'm using a few things here today, okay? Garlic, oh yeah, I love garlic, nice. Dry rub, that's a mixture of spices in this little stainless shaker. You gotta love it, it's really good. We're gonna put a little wine and some olive oil, different things to prepare these steaks. So I'm going to show you what's going on. We'll start with the first piece right here. Move this out of the way. Next step, we're using a tenderizer. 48 blade stainless steel. Does a few things. Main thing is tenderizes. Okay, do each one of these repeat. Okay, these steaks are looking really good. I'm going to move them out of the way and I get ready for my garlic and my dry rub. So for the garlic, what I like to do is just give it a smash and put that in with my marinade. I like to use the knife like this. You can use a hammer if you find that's a little easier or safer for you. I just like to use a knife, it's fast. So there we go. All right, and this is the garlic that's going in my marinade. Okay, a little bit of the peel's not gonna really hurt anything, so we'll just leave it like this and give it just a real quick chop. Just like that, okay. That's gonna release the flavor. And now we're gonna take that garlic and we're gonna rub it on the steak. Yeah, oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, now we're moving on to our dry rub. I like to use stainless steel bowls in my kitchens. I've touched on this before. So if you're following along with some of the chef's preferences, then yeah, you know what's up. Okay, dry rub. We've got a couple things going on here. The first one is right here. And this is a blend of, secret blend of steak seasoning, some Cajun spice, and all different stuff going on in there. So we've got that dry rub going there. That's the first thing. That's the essential right there. What you want to do is you want to take and you want to rub it in. Just use your hands. Get the top, get the bottom, rub those flavors together. Okay, now that's good to go, and this would be good for the grill outside if you like. Ready to go. That right there is a dry rub on those steaks. Now I'm gonna improve it just a little bit. We're gonna put a splash of red wine, just like that, a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit of balsamic vinegar, just like that, a little bit. We're gonna put some olive oil. Yep. Some pepper. Yeah, I gotta have pepper. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay. As well as, yeah, sea salt. Fresh, ground, Hawaiian pink sea salt. Oh, so good. All right, please leave a comment and tell me what you think about this so far. How do those steaks look to you? Would you eat them? Would you like to try this? What do you think? Yeah, follow along for the next video. Like, share, subscribe, keep cooking. Have a great day. And your sponsor supplies a lot of barbecue pitmasters with all kinds of different tools and things. These are two of them here. This is a small stainless steel spice shaker. Two things I like: smooth, easy to clean, and holds a lot. Pure stainless steel, 1810 gauge, really nice stainless steel. And the taller one, I believe the small one holds like maybe 12 ounces and the bigger one holds 20 ounces. But anyway, I like it. Nice, sleek profile, easy to clean, tall, holds a lot. I like the taller ones. Anyway, the Pitmasters usually go for this one. So today I've got something special here for you. Oh, look at that. That is New Mexico smoked chili powder. And if you could smell it through the bag, you'd be going, wow, that's amazing. So if you need to get these, you can get them at your sponsor. I'm just going to put a little bit of this in here and then move on to the next video where I'm actually going to be using some of this. But I'm just going to put a small amount in here and show you why this is so nice. It's perfect size. You can put a lot in, you can put a little in. You could actually mix your ingredients right in there as well. Whatever you like. I put a few ounces in there. It's good to go. I'm going to grab a plate and show you just how nice it is to have a shaker. The control aspect. Look at that. Going right down the middle of the plate. Okay. Really, really nice, good control. That's it. That's the whole review. Watch the next video. I'll be back with more. Great for commercial applications too. Maybe you're working a busy butcher shop and you want to keep some skinning knives on here like this. These are pretty cool. Maybe a couple up, a couple down. Wow. I kind of like that setup. It's pretty nice. Check it out. These are all available on your sponsor. And please like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it.